Hello, my name is Viviana Lopez Can. I am from row 346. Today I will go to the presentation point 3, where I will talk about the holidays with my family. Valledupar is a beautiful city with a hot climate in the day and cool at night. Well, for its climate, for its environment, is a city that I recommend to know. To Alwa go, I recommend going to the monument of Diomedes Diaz and his son Martin Elias. Remember that be strong, so you have to use sunscreen, the comfortable clothes that the wind can feel cold. I recommend plan is to go to a spa stolen to enjoy a refreshing bath. I invite you to enjoy the Vallenato Festival, where you can enjoy peaceful crowd. And if you want to know the history of the Vallenato, to the house of Beto Murgas or the Vallenato Museum, you must go. Another beautiful place to visit is Rio Vadillo, with its incredible rock formation and refreshing waters. Everyone who goes to Valledupar should go to the Guatapuri River to enjoy a family day and take advantage of the cold waters. What you should not do is start looking up and not enjoy what the city offers. Thank you very much. Happy night.